Hello, I'm Chris. So today I will make this screen record to introduce how to make a production video or how to make a video by using some tools and templates. Actually, I have a course, so there is a need for me to make some video for them and to introduce the product. So I'm thinking what's the best way of introduce our production or technology. I find that in making a video or making a very innovation video with a lot of idea and clear explanation, you need to make your production from good to awesome. So I try to learn, and during the process, I have a lot of road to go. So today I will make this video to help a lot of new learners to make out their own videos as quickly as possible. So first, I will introduce two tools for you. The first one is the corel videostudio. It is called in Chinese 绘声绘影, very famous one. And this is majorly used for making some mixture word of the video. We can mix the video and we can separate the video from the sound. We can do a lot of video things using these tools. But actually, a lot of times we face such a situation that we don't have a video, we don't have a sound, we only have some basic 3D pictures, or we only have basic sound. So how can we convert our sound into a video and display them to the audience? So in these situations, we will use the Adobe After Effects. Actually, I use the Adobe After Effects CS6 version, and this is the most latest version, and it is very powerful. So this is for the video mixture and the video fundamental work, and this is for the picture or the 3D picture and for the sound work. Okay, so let's first see the Adobe After Effects CS6. So for a new learner, how can we work out a video as soon as possible? So there are several methodologies, and I want to introduce them to you. Firstly, there is a very famous template website. It is called the Motion Elements, and you can find a lot of free elements here and free templates. Actually, they are very beautiful and clean. So we can take an example. We can see this. Yes, very clean and useful, and you can download it from here. Okay, and it is 14 megabytes. Okay, it is very beautiful. And actually, this is a general template you can use in any video making tools. And there are also some special template for the special video make tools like this AE After Effects. And in there, most of the AE templates are very beautiful and looks very good. Actually, for example, you can see this. Yes, with sound in it, very clean and multiple. A lot of pictures, video changes from the scenery change, and you can change your logo, and you can change the logo picture of your company here. But actually, most of the AE templates here is not for free. It will charge you. Okay, this is $45. It is very expensive. So we can find some free templates here, and if we cannot find some useful free templates here, we can use another website. I find it in America website named the Free AE Template. Yes, this one. So there are also a lot of AE templates here, and you can download it. Actually, you can download it from here, template details, and download the link, and you can download just after you read it. And it is all the information and the material here is completely free for you. So after you download it, you can open it. You can just open it in your AE, and I have opened it one. So after you open it, you will find there are several folders here. First one is the animations. Actually, all the modification work is needed to be done here. Okay, and the other one is the component. This is component, and the two component here is the main is the component. This all the material contains. Actually, this is the container. Okay, this is the final output file here. You can choose any version of the output file here. Okay, this is actually we don't need to do any work in these folders. Okay, so if you want to make some changes in this AE template, you just click the animation and you just edit the values. So you can change the value directly from here. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, just double click and you can change any. Okay, so this is a very fast step for you, for new learner, to quickly modification based on a template to make him all video. Actually, I made my first production video in this methodology. Okay, this is the Adobe After Effects. How to use that? Okay. So actually, a lot of time we also use the corel video studio to make some very simple video mixture or capture or mixture work here, and also it will offers us a lot of template and offers us a lot of functions here. And if we actually we can take an example. It is very easy to use. Okay, you can just create as template, and if you want to cite what you write here, you double click and you can change the word here. Okay, and then okay, we go to the place to store our template, and then we can play that with our word here. Okay, actually this is the beginner. Okay, this is in Chinese. This is the starter, and this is in the media. Okay, you can also drag in some media things, and we can render. Okay, actually this picture, and this text field all can be modified by ourselves, and it is very easy to use. So use the Corel Video Studio Pro to make some very easy video, and use the Adobe After Effects to make some very complex video with your source here, with the date change here. Okay, so by using these two software, you can almost make out any video you want, and it is very useful in the future work or in your future learning work. Okay, thank you. This is my sharing, and in the last, I want to introduce a very interesting design website for you, and in there are lots of very beautiful designs here. So this is called Dribble. This is a very famous, world famous design website, and you can find a lot of very beautiful design here. So actually, I searched the eye for a lot of time. So if you search of the eye tracking, you will find very beautiful picture by some authors, and the design is very beautiful and very good and looks very clean. So you can download here. You can download them from here directly and use them into your Corel Video or Adobe After Effects. And if you are Chinese and you need some Chinese culture, so there is also a website named the First Hand Design. In Chinese is 一手设计. It is very beautiful here, and a lot of Eastern cultural design here, and also you can download everything from here for free. So this is for the international, and this is for the cultural, and you can also download the free AE template from here. So there are a lot of useful information on the website, and you can make out your video at a very fast speed. thank you. If you have some problems, you can contact me through the Gmail, or you can also search my personal website and leave some message for me. Okay, you can find the corresponding information on my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.